Hi, this is Milan Jara from Decorative Ceiling Tiles, and today we are going to install FRP product, LuxCore, and which can be done with a custom design, or you can choose a product from our library gallery. We chose this here, and as you can see, it comes with a plastic on the top to protect the finish. We are going to install it on this wall here. So from the manufacturer you receive this diagram showing where the panels are going to go. Here's our wall. We're going to start with the panel number 2, board number 2, because the floor is the highest in that point. So that's going to be our starting point. Okay, so this is our panel number 2, which we are going to install right on this wall as the bottom part. And this is the matching piece that goes on the top. Now, even though it's already marked on each panel from the manufacturer, we still want to make sure that it's marked correctly before we actually glue it in place. So this looks great, nice continuation. So now we're going to dry fit it, then we're going to add a glue. Alright, so we're going to use this fast grab adhesive, which is FRP adhesive. It's green product. We're going to trowel it on in a crisscross motion. We want to make sure the entire area gets covered with the same amount of glue. So the product has a protective finish on the back and on the front, but that will take once it's installed. Yeah, it's important to get on your first line. Yeah, a little bit high, but that's good, because we're gonna cut the top off anyway. So it is important to smooth out the area with a rag. Make sure it's nice and flat. Looks great. Okay, so we are putting our second panel in. The glue is already in place. We've got a little electric plug, so we have cut out a hole using this tool right here. It was pretty easy. We're gonna put this panel in. The important part is to make sure the design will line up, so it looks like one continuous piece. I forgot to mention, these particular panels are translucent. So you may want to prime your wall or paint it. Make sure that it doesn't show the color behind the wall when it's just white for this particular design. And also the glue, when you apply it, you can kind of see the lines. So we are using this tool here to get rid of those lines. And once we are done, it's gonna be a beautiful thing.
Decorative Ceiling Tiles, transforming your ceilings from plain to beautiful in hours.